Hey guys, Mr. Lloyd here. Going to work with you today on this video for May 12th. It's Tuesday. It's cold and rainy, and I don't like that, but got to get our practice in. So let's go through this video. We'll show you the solutions here for the page you see on the screen. Today, our math is going to be about looking at data. We've looked at data and dot plots and histograms or bar charts. And what we're going to be doing today is looking at data and understanding how the shape of the data, how we can take a quick look at data and draw some quick conclusions there, and we can use our math skills to calculate the mean and the median of our data sets today and compare one set of data to another and the shape of one graph to another, and think about things like symmetry and what kinds of patterns we see out of there. So this is just a good lesson here where we talk a little bit about how we look at data and how we make sense of it. How making sense of it adds to our understanding, including calculations. So the first part here, just a quick review. As we've seen here, our job is just to fill in the missing words. So I'm going to go ahead and read this. It says both mean and mean are single numbers that summarize the center set of a numerical data. You've also observed that dot plots look differently based upon the numbers of the set. Okay, so I'm going to skip the rest of this. You can read that on your own, and I'm going to take you to the answer to the challenge problem, or my answer to the challenge problem. Today, the challenge problem was to go around in your family and record everyone's age. Be careful when you do this. Don't ask too bluntly if you're asking like grandma or grandpa their age. Some people are kind of sensitive about their age. So as you go through this, of course, your numbers will be different because our families are always a little bit different. And so these are just ages for my sisters and I and our parents. But your numbers, of course, will be different. But the idea, the first thing you want to do is just list all the ages in your family. So I had 9 total people that responded to my text message, or actually my mom responded for these ages, just to verify here. And then, so if you can see here, I've listed them just in the order that I received the answer. So I've got a person who's 36, a person who's 34, another person's 34, another person's 38, and so on and so forth. So there's no pattern to these numbers. They're just kind of randomly put in. So then I need to order them smallest to largest, youngest to oldest, same thing. So the youngest person that I got information from was 24, oldest person was 64, and so that is 9 total people, or 9 total ages. So the middle number, the 5th number here, 36, is what it happens to be on my data. That's the median. So the challenge problem asks us to find the mean and the median here. So the median, of course, just that middle value right there. And then the mean we calculate by adding all these together and dividing by the total number. So here you can see it. I set up my problem. I say mean equals, open parentheses, all my values for ages here listed out. There are 9 total values, so I divide by 9. Always do your parentheses first. Remember, we do one computation per line. So when I add all these together, I get 361 divided by 9. When I do 361 divided by 9, I get an answer of 40 and 1 repeating. That's 40.11111, and there'd be an infinite set of ones here. That I'm going to round this down to about 40.1, which is a close enough average for close enough average for my family's mean age, which is 40.1 years old. So that's all you had to do. Of course, remember your mean and median will be different because your data set will be different because your family is composed differently than mine, and that's okay. That's part of what's neat about these calculations. So take a second to do that. That's all I'm going to do for this video. We'll keep it nice and short for this one. On the next video, we'll go through the rest of the work for May 12th, the other couple pages, and I'll see you on that video. Thank you for watching. Please keep these questions coming about math, about anything else, through our Zoom classroom meetings, through our Google chats, Google Classroom comments, YouTube comments, text, phone call, email. You and your parents know how to get a hold, so let's keep them coming. All right, thanks for watching. See you later.